We're getting the disco ready in the caravan. Let's see how easy the Bluetooth is, shall we? So, on. Hold down the on button. Oh, yep. So we got a blinking light. So there's your instructions. Turned it on, so it should be in like search mode for Bluetooth. So let's have a look. Oh, turn it on. And available devices. King BT. It's pair. Pair. We've got a steady light, so we're paired. What should the first song be?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.